Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to open the March 2019 dollar bead bag and dollar bead box. And for those of you who are not familiar with this is a subscription bead website where you can order the box, you can order the bag, or you can order both. So here's the address. I'm going to also put it in the description box below the video so you can check out all the prices. All right, I'm going to put the box aside. We'll open the bag. So just briefly, the bag is $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And if you are a bead bag subscriber, you can reorder your March items through April 30th, 2019 for $1 a strand. Very good deal, very beautiful beads. So for those of you who like to open your boxes with me, go grab your boxes, your box and your bag. All right, so here we go. Let's take a look at them. So the first one is garnet. These are the 3s. And they're just beautiful. You know, what can I say? They're beautiful check fire polish beads. Very pretty, very sparkly. They're always beautiful. Crystal light copper amethyst. It's this guy. Very pretty. Opaque turquoise metallic blue. Beautiful. I love the collection of turquoise and luster beads that we're getting. And then this is gorgeous. This is matte opaque light green. Love. So pretty for spring. And it's matte. I love, you know, I know I'm like a broken record, but I love all the finishes. So 4mm matte jonquil. Very pretty. I think we have some shiny jonquil. It's so great to put those together. Cyan. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful red. Look at the sparkle. Gorgeous. Light aqua, half silver. Gorgeous. Love. This is sort of my favorite color this year. Very pretty. And sapphire. That's gorgeous too. Look at that. Love. All right, so there are our bead bag items. Beautiful. And oh, I just wanted to mention, people are always asking me, what do I make with all these fire polish beads? Check out my playlist. I'm going to put the playlist up there and in the description box below the video. It's a playlist for all the dollar bead box and bead bag items. This is made, except for the little Miyuki drops in the center, this is made entirely of dollar bead box beads. And this is a little prismatic right angle weave bracelet. So check that. I'll put a link to this video as well. Great way to use these. So pretty. All right, so let me move on. So I'll put these aside and we'll get to the box. So here's the box. So there are all different prices for the box depending on what subscription you get. So I'm going to refer you to the website and check it out. I think you can get it for as low as $18.50 for a longer subscription, and then it goes up. You can get some free shipping. Depends on what you order. So check it out, see if it's right for you. It's a cool website. I love their website. All right, so you get your little letter. And so it's National Craft Month. So they've been to the Tucson Bead Show, and I think that's wonderful. That's on my list to do. I've never been there. Just gorgeous. An amazing, amazing show. Okay, so they're congratulating the winners of their December design contest. They get a $50 coupon code. Congratulations, ladies. You can check the winning designs on their Dollar Bead Box Facebook page. Okay, so that's pretty much the letter. On the side we get our list. I haven't seen these yet, so we'll go through them together. Oh, I see some elephants in there. I'm getting quite a collection of elephants. All right, so we're going to start with the strands, so I'm going to pull all the strands out. Oh, I've got some cat's eye going on there too. Always interesting beads. All right, so here are our strands. So we've got 3mm cat's eye gemstones. So cat's eye is like a glass, I believe it's a glass bead. And it's got that look in there. See that, sort of that shine that looks like a cat's eye. Let me pull in a little bit so you can see it closely. Really pretty. And they're very tiny, 3 millimeters. Love 3 millimeters, and you get lots of different colors here, which is very cool. Check glass Drux, 6 millimeter. That's mint opal. Again, a beautiful color. And these look like marbles to me. Look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. 7 by 11 millimeter check glass oval in olive. Olive rainbow iris. Very pretty. Okay, but let's brick stitch around this guy. Right? Maybe we have a pair of brick stitch earrings coming up with these. Perfect size. 8 millimeter check fire polish and jet. Beautiful. Love. Just love the jet. So pretty. 4 millimeter check glass Druck. Brown travertine. And great finishes here. Really pretty. Really beautiful finish. 6 millimeter check glass pyramid. Oh, this is cool. So let's cut this guy open. Opaque white and bronze luster. I want you to see this. This is really pretty. It's got one hole. Does it have one? Yes. Beautiful. I love the luster on it. Look at the purple and the red and yellow. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Really pretty. And 6 millimeter check glass flower, red with rainbow iris. Let's cut these guys. There we go. Just so you can see them a little bit easier. Very pretty. This is a pretty flower bead. I'm always so surprised when I cut the strand open and I see all the, you know, the accents, the kind of little luster on it, and then the striations. Very, very pretty. Okay. So let's go to the additional items. 16 by 24 millimeter 3-strand pewter connector. There we go. So we're building up some findings here, which is great. I love these connectors. These are great for necklaces. Oh, I'm working on one from a previous box. I should have brought that out. Really pretty. This is great for necklace or earring. We made the Marjorie earrings. You can check that out on my channel as well with these. Shameless plug. Okay. 20 millimeter Chinese character, pewter with antique copper. And I don't know what the character is. I'll have to look it up. Love it. I love this just put a little loop on there and put it on a chain. And you could put there's a little indent right there. You could put maybe a teeny tiny little crystal right there. Okay. Excuse me. 20 millimeter check glass elephant, navy with gold wash. I think we have some of these. I'm not sure if we have the gold wash. These are so pretty. I'm working on a candle holder where the elephants are going to be. I was talking about it a couple of videos ago. Get that done eventually and share it with you. 16 millimeter pewter toggle. It's an antique copper finish. Just a very simple toggle. Always nice to have these in the stash. Here we go. So if you make a necklace out of this, here's your closure. Swarovski Chaton 1088 limited edition SS339. Oh, I love chatons. And that looks like it's about an 8 millimeter. I could be wrong. That's beautiful. I have a bunch of chatons, maybe smaller, I'm not sure. Beautiful. Sea mist. Brass ear wires. Let's see, antique copper plated. Oh, and I didn't tell you any amounts on these. So 125 pieces, 34, 17, 24, 24, 34, sorry about that, 20, and 20. So here are your findings. Again, here we go. So you've got like a necklace, the ends of a necklace and earrings here. I love that they do this so that, you know, you have the pieces to complete, the findings to complete a piece. 6 by 11 meter check glass leaf, transparent green, 12 pieces. You get 4 pair here. Very pretty. I love that color. Gorgeous. Really pretty. Look at it close. Very pretty. 10 by 13 millimeter check glass spade charm, jet with white wash. Oh, okay, that's cool. So this is the spades. This is like a card. That's kind of neat. That'd be a cool little earring. Just fun. Like fun and funky, huh? 8 by 10 millimeter hand painted large hole porcelain round, beige with khaki. Okay. All right, so now we have some like sort of, freeform shape beads that are similar in these colors, which I like. This is nice. And these are really pretty. Look at that. This is gorgeous. I'm already seeing something with this in the center and these on the side. A little necklace. This in the center, these guys on the side. Put some pretty, these in between, or even the cat's eye. Very pretty. Love these. These are gorgeous. I like that we've got... So 8 and 10 millimeter, really nice. Okay, so there you go. Here's our dollar. Oh, let me pull out a bit. Here's our dollar bead bag over here. Here's the box. Check it out. Go to the website. It's just a fun website just to look at. See if it's right for you. Could be. You never know. All right, so I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.